stairs. They just don't care. My father asks, will you be safe when you're always so far away? And you pick me up and you let me high, and you take my hand and you do whatever. I have the light into my life. Close my eyes before I die. And you let me go and you send me out into the sky. Always believe in me, always beside me. I know this far, and now you are farther than the stars. And you pick me up and you hold me close, and you take my hand and you watch me grow, and you show my way and you let me go. I let the light into my life. Close my eyes before I die. And you let me go. You let me go. My mother said I gained a friend. You know, recently it was Mother's Day. Is it a big thing with you?
Yeah.
All call your mother?
Yes, I
Yes.
told my mom.
I know, I write songs about my parents. It makes them really proud. But then I forget to call on Mother's Day. It's just stupid. Usually I call like 2 days later. Happy Mother's Day. She says, it's all right. I know you're busy. It's the best mothers in the world who say that. I know you're busy. Yes, Cyndi Lauper. Always, when I say Cyndi Lauper, people go, ooh. Or, ah. She does that, I don't know why. Well, she's great. Lying in my bed, a cleared out clock tick, and I think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion is nothing new. Flashbacks for nights almost left behind. Suitcases of memories. Time after, sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me. I can't hear what you have said. Then you say, go slow.